Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create an Etsy shop? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, go ahead and go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead and search for Etsy and click on the first link and make sure that you're logged in into your account. If you don't know how to create an account, I've already made a video on that. So all you need to do is now simply go ahead and click on your profile icon and click on sell on Etsy. You're going to be taken to this page where you want to go ahead and click on get started and now click on let's do it. Now as you can see, it says what brings you to Etsy. Just go ahead and answer any question and just go ahead and choose any answer you want to. So click on next. You can see it's going to ask you what categories are you interested to sell. You can select any of that and click on start your shop. Now once you've done that, it's going to ask you for your shop language. It's going to ask you for the country that you are targeting. So simply go ahead and have that as well, and currency as well, and click on save and continue. As you can see, it's going to ask you for a shop name. Simply go ahead and enter your shop name, and click on save and continue. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to go ahead and enter your country of residence and all your rest of the details, and then enter your billing info, so your card or wherever you can receive your payment. And that is about it. Your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.